guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lynn again, your Monday accent coach. In today's accent training, we are going to study 10 words that you might mispronouncing. Native speakers don't pronounce the words in each letters. They usually reduce it. So as a non-native English speakers, we should know what words that needs to reduce to make us sound smooth and natural when speaking in English. Okay, so let's dive into the first word. Number one, typically. Okay, so when you look at this word, there are 4 syllables. But we reduce the letter A, it becomes 3 syllables. Typically, typically, typically. Typically, native speakers speak really fast.
Procrastination typically is something that's kind of last minute. Procrastination typically is something that's kind of last minute. Procrastination typically is something that's kind of last minute.
Alright, number 2, temperature. Again, there are 4 syllables in this word, but it pronounces into 3 syllables. Temperature or temperature. In temperature, we reduce the letter A sound. Okay, temperature. In temperature, we reduce the letter E sound. Okay, so what is the normal body temperature? The average body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius.
Is used merely to keep your body's temperature where it should be. Is used merely to keep your body's temperature where it should be.
Number 3, camera, camera. Okay, so this word, the letter E is reduced. It's not camera, but it's camera, camera, camera. I bought a new camera.
The pressure, there are bright lights and a camera in your face, kind of like this. The pressure, there are bright lights and a camera in your face, kind of like this.
Number 4, family. Okay, so it's not family, but it's family, family. 2 syllables. The letter I is reduced. I love my family. I miss my family. Family, family, family.
I loved growing up in a big family. I loved growing up in a big family. I loved growing up in a big family.
All right, number 5, Chevrolet. Okay, so this word is not Chevrolet, but it's Chevrolet. The letter T is totally silent. Chevrolet, Chevrolet. Chevrolet is a car brand name. Chevrolet.
Good product. I love Ford. I love Chevrolet. I love all our products. Good product. I love Ford. I love Chevrolet. I love all our products. Good product. I love Ford. I love Chevrolet. I love all our products.
All right, number 6 is Arkansas. Arkansas. This word is not Arkansas. Okay, so the letter S is totally silent. Arkansas, Arkansas. Arkansas is one of the biggest states in the United States. If you don't know that one, guys, Arkansas, Arkansas.
In the U.S. to work is Dumas, Arkansas. In the U.S. to work is Dumas, Arkansas. In the U.S. to work is Dumas, Arkansas.
All right, number 7 is favorite. Okay, favorite. This word has 2 syllables. The letter O is totally dropped. It's not favorite, but it is favorite. Favorite. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chocolate. Favorite. Favorite.
During stress, but my favorite effect on the body is actually on the heart. During stress, but my favorite effect on the body is actually on the heart. During stress, but my favorite effect on the body is actually on the heart.
All right, guys, followed by number 8, chocolate. Okay, so it's not chocolate. This word has 2 syllables. Okay, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. The letter O is dropped. Do you love chocolate? I do love chocolate. Chocolate, okay, chocolate.
Look, Mommy, her skin is like chocolate. Look, Mommy, Her skin is like chocolate. Look, Mommy, her skin is like chocolate.
Number 9, interest. Okay, that's not interest, but it is interest. Interest. The letter E is dropped. Interest, interest. 2 syllables, okay? What are your interests? Are you interested in music? Yes, I love music. I'm interested in music.
Also very much in our interest to promote reforms, but it's also very much in our interest to promote reforms, but it's also very much in our interest to promote reform.
All right, guys, and the last one, number 10, is grocery. It is not a grocery, but it is grocery. Grocery. 2 syllables. The letter E is reduced. Grocery. I need to go to the grocery store. Okay, I need to buy food to the grocery store. Grocery, grocery.
Grocery store. Let's say you went to the grocery store. Let's say you went to the grocery store. Let's say you went to the grocery store.
All right, guys, so that's it for now. I hope you learned something today. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the red button and also the bell so you will be notified for the next coming lesson. Keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing your tasks, and I'll see you in the group. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.